So I'm here in the expert mode inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements, and over here you can see that I have an image opened up which is full of haze. And if you want to remove the haze out from the picture, you can go under Enhance right here, and here you can see that Haze Removal is an option. So if I were to go around over here in Haze Removal, then I can go around and see a preview of how this would look like before and after. And you can see that the haze has been removed right here. You can increase the haze removal slider right here, just like this, to increase the haze reduction reduction right here. So you can go around and increase out the haze right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and really increase this out right here, and you can also go around, increase out the sensitivity to more or less according to how you like it. And you can see the before and after, and you can see that the after image has much more detail once the haze is removed. So you can go around and choose the amount of haze that you want to remove right here, work around with the sensitivity of the haze removal as well, and press OK. And now you can see that the after result is much more sharper, and you get the details out of the area over here in the haze where there was haze right there. And that is how you can work around with haze removal option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.